Good morning, students. Today, in this lecture, we will discuss the computation of standard deviation by shortcut method. So now, we have two types of data, ungrouped data and group data. So now the standard deviation for ungrouped data by shortcut method is given by root of summation d square over n minus summation d over n square of summation d over n. Here d equal to x minus a. This is the deviation. D equal to x minus a, and a is assumed mean. A is assumed mean. Here we assumed a mean in from x. For group data, the difference between ungrouped data and group data has frequency. So if the frequency is given, then the data is group data. So here we can easily find the formula for standard deviation by ungrouped data formula. So in ungrouped data, we introduce f in those terms who have summation sign. So in ungrouped data formula, the summation lie upon d square. So we introduce f in this. So summation f d square. Similarly, in summation d, we introduce f summation f d over n square. So this is the formula for group data. Root of summation f d square over n minus square of summation f d over n. Here d equal to x minus a, where a is assumed mean, and for group data n equal to summation f. Now we consider an example. Now here the example is find standard deviation from the given data by shortcut method. So here the individual entries are given. So the individual entries are given, that is the data is ungrouped data. So first we arrange the data in vertical form. Now the formula for standard deviation by shortcut method is given by root of summation d square over n minus square of summation d over n. So here the summation lie upon d square and d. So we need summation d square, that is the column for d square, and summation lie on d. So we need a column for d in table. So for d, first we assumed a mean. Now from x we assumed 12 as assumed mean. So here a equal to 12. Now we calculate d, that is x minus a. So now the 10 minus 12, that is minus 2, 11 minus 12 minus 1, 17 minus 12 5, 25 minus 12 13, 7 minus 12 minus 5, 13 minus 12 1, 21 minus 12 9, 10 minus 12 minus 2, 12 minus 12 0, and 14 minus 12 is 2. So this is d. Now we need summation d square, so we need the column for d square. So now the d square is minus 2 square 4, minus 1 square 1, 5 square 25, square of 13 169, square of minus 5 25, square of 1 is 1, square of 9 is 81, square of minus 2 4, square of 0 is 0, and square of 2 is 4. So now for summation d square, we sum the column of d square. So the sum of d square, that is summation d square, is 314, and summation d, so we sum the column of d. So now the summation d is 22. Here minus and negative and positive both term are given, so we adjusted. Now the summation d equal to 20. Now putting these value in this formula, summation d square 314, n is 10, individual data. So we count the entry 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So n is 10. 314 upon 10 minus summation d over n. Summation d is 20 and n is 10. So square of 20 upon 10. So now we calculate these values, and we have the standard deviation is 5.23. Now we will consider another example. So here the data is group data, the class interval and frequency is given. So first we arrange the data in vertical form. So here the standard deviation for group data is given by root of summation fd square over n minus square of summation fd over n. The summation lie upon fd square and f into d. So we need the column for fd square and fd. So now first we calculate the midpoint of the class interval. So the first class interval is 10 to 20, so the midpoint is 15. The sum of lower limit and upper limit divided by 2. The midpoint of class interval 20 to 30 is 25, 30 to 40 is 35, 40 to 50 is 45, and 50 to 60 is 55. So we have the x. Now we assumed a assumed mean from x. So now in this example we consider 35 as assumed mean. Now for fd, first we need the d. So we calculate a column for d. Now d equal to x minus a. So here x is given and a is 35. So d x minus a, 15 minus 35 minus 20, 25 minus 35 minus 10, 35 minus 35 0, 45 minus 35 is 10, 55 minus 35 is 20. Now we calculate f into d. So here f and d are given, so we multiply the column f and column d. So now 10 into minus 20 minus 200, 15 into minus 10 minus 150, 25 into 0 that is 0, 40 into 10 400, 10 into 20 200. Now we need fd square. Now we have d and fd, so we product d and f into d. So the product of d and fd is fd square. So now minus 20 multiplied by minus 200, that is 4000, minus 10 multiplied by minus 150, 1500, 0 into 0 0, 10 into 400 multiplied by 4000, 20 into 200 is 4000. Now the sum of fd square is given by summation fd square. So the sum of fd square is 13,500. Summation fd. So we sum the column of fd. Now the summation fd is 250. Summation f, that is n is given by in group data summation f. So the summation f is 100. Now putting these value in the formula of standard deviation. So the summation fd square is 13,500, n is 100, minus summation fd is 250, n is 100. So putting these value, now we easily calculate these value. 135 minus square of 2.5. The square of 2.5 is 6.25. So the root of 128.75. Now the square root of this 11.346. So we have the standard deviation 11.35. Thank you.